All right, hey everybody. This is an introduction to the new Vex V5. We're going to do the test bed today. So we're going to start off with the inputs and outputs. So I'm going to go over a couple components that come with the new Vex V5 kit. First thing we have is the new brain that we have. So along here we have our smart ports. Along here. And these ones connect to our smart motors that we have. I have the right motor plugged into port 20 and I have the left motor port plugged into port 10. And then I also have a couple other sensors here that are connected to these smart ports right here. So we have an optical sensor and a distance sensor. So the optical one, if you take a look at it, there's an eye on there. I know you can't see it too well on this one. There is an eyeball on there. And then over here is a distance sensor. So the distance sensor has just an arrow in between. It looks like a robot and a wall, but they look very similar, but that's kind of how you distinguish which one's which. All right, so we have our limit switch over here, and we have our bumper switch. You press on this one, and our potentiometer, and you twist this one right over here. And over here we have our servo motor, and so another new thing is the Vex battery. Plug on this right here, and it looks like we have full power. So as you can see, I did turn on the button, and the brain did turn on. So another thing that you could do is hold on to this button. It will turn off. And then same thing, hold it again, and it should turn back on. So, all right, so if you go over here, you click on settings. There's a whole bunch of different settings on here. You can restart at all settings. You can do a black and white theme on here. Here's the brightness. Here's the dark mode. Here's the light mode. And you can also go over and clear out all the programs that were originally left on there. So whenever you click on an option, you can also press that button right there, and it acts as a home button. All right, so we're going to mostly be focusing on the devices inside there. Okay, so I have a couple ones already connected. Here are the three wire ports. It is on this end, is lettered A, B, C, D, H, all the way to H, I believe. So right now we're not opening up any applications like Vex V5 code, but we are going to be testing out some of the equipment over here and seeing how they work and what do they do. All right, so I will see you guys in the next video, and we will go over motors.